Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to upload photos on Google Maps. So guys, let's continue into Google Maps. And then choose the place where you want to upload your photos. So guys, now I am selecting this place. Now tap on the photos. And now tap on add a photo. Tap on allow. Now select the photo you want to upload. And after selecting your photos, you will click on post and then your photos will be uploaded. And that's it. And that's how you can upload your photos on Google Maps very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.